Hello! It's our last full day today here in Singapore and wala kaming agenda for today. It's already, what time na?
11:30.
11:30. Nasa hotel pa kami.
Mag-shoot na lang kami ng content.
Yeah, magti-TikTok kami. And I'm trying to fix the bags kasi kailangan namin ng pagkasya lahat ng gamit. So far, ito yung kama ko, kama niya. Gulo. And look, I'm wearing the TS jacket. This sweatshirt, half zip hoodie. It's not a hoodie pala. Ito rin pala yung Beyond the Vines haul namin. So, andito yung mga pasabays and yung sa amin din na personal. So, ito yung pinili ko na bag. It's reversible. So, pag ni-reverse mo siya, green na lang siya. Oh, edi parang ang dami ko ng BTV bags. It's a white, small, poofy bag. It's very nice. It's so clean and minimalist and chic. Tapos meron siyang pouch sa loob. Okay, tapos ito, na-extend siya. Pwede siyang handbag, shoulder bag, or body bag. Next is, ito. Kay Nika to. So, pareho kami ng bag na kinuha. Sa kanya naman is forest green / blush na color. Yan. Tapos ito, ilalagay siya dito. Para may extra pouch. Okay. Last na pinagbili sa akin is dumpling bag in small size in color steel blue. Kay Ate Faye to. I guess, nag-rub off sa kanya ang mga Beyond the Vines bag ko. Yorn. Okay, sa'yo. Ito yung kay Manners. It's a small poofy bag in color
Lilac.
Yeah. Ginamit na niya ito kahapon sa trip namin. It's so nice. So, that's all for the BTV haul. Chanan! Our next segment with Maan is what fits in your BTV bag?
Sa vlog?
Yes.
Okay. Okay! Sorry, kidding.
So, Manners,
Yes.
what fits in your BTV poofy small bag?
Yeah. No, it's XS.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Okay.
XS.
XS pala, guys.
Yeah.
Sorry, I was wrong.
Yes. Kasi yung sumunod ata, yun yung small.
Okay. So, how do you like it? Shoulder bag?
Mas prefer ko yung nakaganito.
What fits in your bag?
Okay, so eto.
Bag grade?
Hindi ginamit ko for travel kahapon. Ay, tama. Kahapon. So, kahit XS siya, marami naman ako nailagay. So, kasha ang camera.
Yes, for the G7S.
Yes. And then, yung travel wallet ko, ganito lang. Passport. And then, power bank. And then, mga girly stuff. Ayan. Yun lang. Yun lang.
Yun lang, okay. Pero madami siya.
Madami siya kasi malaki yung camera eh. So,
nagtitake up po siya ng space.
nagtitake up siya. Kung wala to, kasya pa yung phone.
Okay.
Kaso hawak ko na lang.
Are you happy though with your...
Yeah! It's cute.
Mas mura siya sa Singapore kaysa sa Philippines.
Mukha lang siya maliit pero pagalingan lang mag-tetris sa loob.
Okay. What fits in her bag? What fits in her bag? This is my bag. So, may water bottle ako. I have my film cam with me. Then shades. Power bank ako. And then, ito yung isa kong phone for the mobile data. Ginagamit ko siya for hotspot. And then, I got my camcorder with me. So, dala ko siya. Wallet. And then, yung isa kong wallet. hanky, passport, mga face powder, lip tint, and another lip tint. Tapos, medicine in case magka-acid ako, in case sumakit yung ulo ko. And, hairpins. Yun. And, kahapon, asan na yung tripod? Kasama rin to. So, nalagay ko sa bag. So, ano siya, this bag is very spacious. I like it. And, hindi siya ganun kagulo sa loob since makikita ko kagad nga yung nasa loob. So, naayos ko siya kagad kahit. And what's nice about this, may lock rin siya dito. So, secured ang aking things. It's like that.
Okay, pakita mo pag naka-reverse.
Okay, sige. So, ganito siya pag reversed. Wait.
Oh, one color lang siya pag reverse.
Yes. Malalak mo pa rin siya, although pailalim na siya. Like that.
So, if you're going for a minimalist look, pwede yung this one.
Or, pwede pa rin nakaganito.
Yeah.
Ito yung pocket. That's it!
Okay, so what's your favorite
Favorite what?
of all your
Purchases.
BTV bags?
Okay, wait lang. I already have 3 Beyond the Vines bag. So, I have the dumpling bag in small size.
Hindi naman siya masyadong fan ng BTV, guys.
And this one is the limited edition extra small dumpling bag. And ito yung third ko, yung reversible bag. So, out of the 3, I think right now, my favorite is this one. Since ito yung pinakabago. But, ang mostly used ko na bag talaga dito, yung dumpling bags. Especially sa travel. Kasi ito, actually ito, parang sira na siya after Japan trip. Kasi, ang luwag na nung garter niya. Dahil, ang dami ko nilagay dito. Pinagkakasya ko lahat. Kung ayoko ng malaking bag. Then, this one naman, if marami akong cameras na dala. Like, mga 3 camera. So, kasya siya dito.
Hindi naman siya masyadong maraming equipment.
So, umaabot, kaya nito, I think, 2 to 3 kilos na things sa loob. Kasi, nung pumunta kaming airport, winay ko to, nasa 2 point something kilos siya. Ayun, so yeah, that's my Beyond the Vines haul and what's inside my bag.
Okay, kunin niyo na po siyang endorser ng
Yes,
BTV. Please.
Bye!